Hi everyone, Tom Ryan here from Ryan LLP. Today I want to talk about when you need to hire a lawyer after being injured in a car accident in Ohio. Getting into a car accident can be a scary and overwhelming experience. Even if your injuries seem minor, there are important steps you need to take to protect yourself and receive fair compensation. One of the most important decisions is whether or not you need to hire a personal injury attorney. Here are 3 key times when it's essential to have an experienced car accident lawyer on your side. Number 1. If you have serious injuries. Severe injuries like broken bones, head trauma, back injuries, or burns often require extensive medical treatment and result in large medical bills and lost income from work. An attorney will deal with the insurance company so you can focus on recovery and make sure you receive full compensation. Number 2. If the insurance company is giving you trouble. Insurance adjusters may try to minimize your claim, delay payments, or deny liability altogether. An attorney levels the playing field and deals with the insurer so you don't have to. We have the expertise to build a strong case and fight for the maximum settlement. Number 3. If there is a dispute over who is at fault. Sometimes the insurance companies involved don't agree on who caused the accident. An attorney will investigate, gather evidence about what happened, and demonstrate why the other party is liable for your damages. Fault disputes can quickly get complicated without an experienced lawyer. The days and weeks after an accident are crucial. The actions you take can affect the outcome of your claim. If you or someone you know is an auto collision victim, please reach out to us. At Ryan LLP, we blend our extensive experience with empathy and determination to support you in your quest for justice. You don't have to navigate this difficult journey alone. We are here for you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Help is just a phone call away. Please feel free to contact us anytime for a free consultation. We are here to assist you.